Alright, so today we're going to line a eastbound train into this siding so it can drop off some cars, then let it back out on the main line to head east. So to do this, switch 29 right here, we're going to reverse. Now the switch is reversed. We're going to set L30 cleared. Alright, so now we can see that the signal is clear. So soon all we gotta do is wait for the train to hit the approach. It'll go to this on the OS, and then it should come in here into the siding. There's the train on the approach. The train is past signal L30, dropping it to red, as we can see here. So we will reset that lever. Now the train is on the siding. Just got to make sure it gets all the way in. Alright, so now that the train is in the siding, we can set R30 to clear as soon as it's done switching. So we'll set R30 clear. So the signal cleared. The train has passed R30 signal, so we can reset this lever. Alright, now that the train is off the switch, let's reverse the switch. Get ready to send it eastbound. Alright, now we can line L30 so the train will come this way. So the train is past L30 again, but this time on the normal route. So we can reset the lever. This crossing is an automatic crossing. Whoever takes the approach circuit first gets the interlocking signal. So what you'll see is the train hits right here. It'll take a couple seconds for the interlocking to check everything, and then it should clear L28 right here. Which you see at L28. And since the train is past L28, it has dropped the signal back to red. And well, there we have it. The train has gone east towards Kennard. As soon as I get more stuff done, we'll be able to simulate the train going towards Stony Point.